Customizing navigation by role in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to set what each role sees. Pick a preset, reorder and hide cards, and save, so everyone gets just the tools their job needs. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Navigation from your dashboard. This page controls what shows up on the dashboard and sidebar for each role, so people only see the tools relevant to their job. Select a role preset at the top: Seller, Sales, Finance, and so on. Then customize to enter Edit mode, where you'll see the available cards and tabs for that role. Drag a card to reorder it. The layout saves for everyone with that role. To hide one, a role doesn't need. Click its hide icon. It's hidden from their view, not deleted, so you can bring it back later. Reset to default anytime to restore the standard layout, or save when you're satisfied. This is what makes sure a seller operator isn't wading through finance tools to find their tank list.